Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Skinny TV, and for those of you that don't know me, my name is Karan. And today I will be reviewing DreamGirls hair care line. So I've seen them a couple of times on Instagram via ads, and I've been to their page and just did a little research on them, just reading their reviews and just seeing how people like it, and I decided to give it a try. So I'll be going over, so the kit that I got is their full system kit. So it comes with a comb out or detangling cream, shampoo, conditioner, of course, a deep treatment, and an oil. Okay, so the renewing shampoo comes with tea tree, lavender, and peppermint oils. Invigorates and cleanses hair and scalp. There's no parabens, sulfates, or sodium chloride. It's great for all hair types. Basically, the instruction says to massage an ample amount throughout wet hair and scalp, rinse well, repeat if necessary, follow with the renewing conditioner for best results. Renewing conditioner comes with lavender and peppermint oils. The directions say after shampooing, rinse and apply an ample amount to hair and scalp. For best results, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Gently comb through hair with a wide tooth comb, starting from the ends, working your way up. Rinse thoroughly. So the Revival Deep Treatment with ginseng, bamboo, and coconut oil. It's moisturizing and hydrating. The directions say to apply to clean, damp hair, paying special attention to the ends, work through hair with fingertips, leave on for 30 minutes, proceed with the healthy hair care system or styling as usual. It says this is the perfect deep treatment to rejuvenate those curly locks, infused with an exotic blend of ginseng, bamboo, and coconut oil, which works together to create vibrancy and restore essential hydration. Caffeine works to promote circulation and stimulate the scalp to promote healthier hair. It smells amazing. It reminds me of something, like it opened up memories from like back in the 90s. Like I do not know why, but it reminds me of, I don't know if it's like a perfume or a body spray or something, but something from the late 90s, early 2000s. The smell of it reminds me of that, and the slip on it is really good. First of all, it feels very moisturizing, and the slip on it is really good. So right now I have it sitting, it says it needs to leave on for 30 minutes. So I have it on underneath my heat cap. So with the renewing conditioner, because it has a lavender and peppermint oil, it's very calming and relaxing just having that applied to your hair. It doesn't have as much slip as the deep treatment, but I think the conditioner is still pretty good. I really like the shampoo. I got a great lather after the second time around, and pretty much with this shampoo, like it has that nice invigorating feeling from the tea tree oil and the peppermint oil, but it also has like a calming effect from the lavender that's in it. My hair did feel a little bit stripped, but it wasn't too bad, and it definitely felt clean after I rinsed it out. So the TLC comb out treatment, which is a moisturizer and a detangler. If my hair was curly, I think I would have a better response to it, but because my hair was already straightened and combing it out, it wasn't really an issue. But I think if my hair was in its natural state and it was curly and I was using this before the wash day, I think I would have a better review on it. Other than that, it smells really good and it feels moisturizing, because when I was rinsing it out to then apply the shampoo, like my hair felt super hydrated. Alright, so the last product that I have is the True Essence Oil Treatment. And it has peppermint, almond, and soybean oils in it. So I'm just gonna be rubbing a little bit on my hair. After I took out the after I washed out the deep conditioner, the hair treatment, I just blow dried my hair, and I'm just gonna seal in the moisture with the oil. It feels lightweight, and it has a soft peppermint smell. Alright, so overall with these products, I do like them a lot. I'm definitely going to be using it again. The 5 products that they have, I think what I like the most is the deep conditioner and the shampoo. The oil is just regular mixture of oil, so there's nothing really too crazy about it, and it just smells like peppermint. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.